Hi guys, this is Motosmart and here is a tip for today. A fuel pump is a device that sends fuel consistently to your engine while it runs. A bad fuel pump will not allow your vehicle run well. You'll start having hesitation, you have difficulty accelerating or taking on hills. So a fuel pump gets bad when you have contaminants in the system. Dirt, rust, water are things that can contaminate the fuel pump. So if you're having all of these symptoms like hesitation, low power, loss of power, ensure that you check your fuel pump or have a professional mechanic check it. Be Motor Smart.